Alright, we're watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. It's almost 7:30 on checkout day. We're gonna go get breakfast and walk around Pop Century. This is our room. We're in the 50s building, which is real close to the lobby and where the buses are. Transistor radio, vinyls. And something I wasn't sure of was if Value Resorts had elevators. And they definitely have elevators, so that's good. Here's Lady and the Tramp. I love how people decorate. So cute, their windows. And so the pool here is a bowling alley themed at the 50s building. So it looks like a bowling pin shape. This is right behind the lobby. It's so cool, the huge yo-yo. There's the 60s, and they have the pedal bar, and the pool we swam in the first night we got here with my sisters. It was really nice, typical, like, basic pool, very chlorinated, very crowded. But it's really close, it's real big. It's got little flower sprinklers. They sprinkle water out. There was a unexpected cleaning of the pool happening. Everyone had to evacuate the pool Sunday night. Oh cool, there's Play-Doh down there. I didn't see that. There's Jungle Book. Wow, nice and quiet this morning. It was nice, we enjoyed it. We just did it the one night. And then you have a pedals bar here, and then that's the food court. And there's the gift shop and food court and lobby. Arcade. There's the lobby, which I haven't been to. Oh, they have my magic bands. I need to go get them. We'll come back. Little gift shop. I love this like retro look. In fact, I got that in the shirt, but I like the sweatshirt better. Bathing suits. So cute. My bag was over, so I took the stroller fan out, thinking it'd be easy to get one here. They don't have a stroller fan. They have the spray fan. Those are so cute. I didn't see those. I got that shirt while I was here. You see Mickey, baby? Those are cute. Alright. I'm gonna get Landon a milk and me a coffee, and we're gonna take a little walk this morning. And then come back and have breakfast. Lots of Halloween stuff, you know, because it's mid-August. This is cute. Oh, how cute. A Disney Rubik's Cube. Oh, that's nice. I like that, but you can't see it. I think I have to get this. Oh, it's like tie-dye. I'm gonna get that to commemorate our trip. Good thing I brought my pass holder. Is that a magnet? It's a magnet. It's cute. I'm gonna have to get that. Even though it's $17. Yay. It's a really big food court. Oh, here's mobile order pickup. You can do mobile order. Oh, cool. a whole milk here, a small one. And get me a coffee. They have Mickey waffles. Bounty platter. Pancakes. Chocolate chip pancakes. Looks good. Baked goods. Here we go. There's some goofy characters with a 60s car. This is the 70s. That big wheel is amazing. I had one when I was growing up. Is it mood rings or moon rings? Platform shoes, foosball, Mickey phone. We had one of those. That's awesome. So cool. This place is huge. The Rubik's Cube and the potato head. You see it? Yeah. They have little like fun facts about the years on the walking trail next to the lake. Isn't the deficit now like 14 trillion? So in the 80s, as a sports Walkman, Sony, I totally had one of those. Has Pac-Man. It says totally awesome, but over there it says Psych. I totally forgot about Psych. Psych was such a big deal. So there is a pool over here too. Let's check that out. So the 80s pool is like a computer. And there's like a keyboard here. Roger Rabbit. Whatever. Yuppies. For sure. Oh my gosh. My sisters, I have 3 older sisters. They said that all the time. It's so funny. Alright, so we did 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. We just have to find 90s now. Wow, that's crazy. So it's hard to find, but I think we're at 22 trillion now for debt, and that doesn't include unfunded liabilities. Go America. That's so cool. Oh, we're about to be 50 years. And then that's Art of Animation. And over there is the gondola. I was gonna go check it out. Yeah, you see the sign? So they have a sign here. It looks like it's taped over. Wonder what it says. We're about a month away from it opening. It's so pretty. You see the moon up there? Doesn't look like they're moving. The gondolas. You see the moon? Drinking your milk? This coffee is so hot, and I would give it an okay score. So that is gonna be awesome to have that right there between Art Animation and Pop. Goes to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. I wonder if prices are gonna go up. I paid like a little over 100 with my annual pass holder discount. You see the moon? Yeah. Oh, there it is. Alright, let's go find the 90s, Landon. Okay, so the 90s was on the other side of the 80s, and I missed that. So, and I missed a kiddie pool. So 90s are basically connected to the 80s. So there's the kiddie pool. That would have been nice to know when it was there. I bet you Landon would have loved that. It's nice. It's on the other side of the hippy dippy pool. Yeah, are you drinking your milk? So this is for kids 5 to 12. It's on the other side of the 70s building. It's nice. Side note, how often do parents say, watch where you're walking, watch where you're going? They say it a lot. Am I gonna say it to you a lot? Okay, so this is very disappointing. This is 80s and 90s together. So it says 90s, and there's a computer screen with ABC News, because, you know, Disney owns that. There's rollerblades. Like, where's 90210 and Pintroll and Sebagos and overalls? Surf the net, whatever. I don't think whatever was a saying. Was whatever a saying? Hip hop was definitely a big deal. Keeping it real? I don't remember keeping it real. I mean, rollerblades? Oh, CDs. Okay, that makes sense. See, I did have a CD player. Oh, it's kind of lame. Kind of lame. I walked all the way over here and got sweaty for nothing. Alright, let's go get breakfast, mi amor. Oh, it's really hot out here. I'm sweating. Waffle Bounty yogurt. Disney ain't cheap. I'm here. Prepare my order. So that was the mobile order. This is the bounty platter. So all I'm gonna have is breakfast potatoes and this one little small Mickey waffle. I didn't know it was so little. The parfait looks good. And hopefully she is into it. You like the bacon? I don't know if Landon's ever had bacon. And I asked someone to bring the high chair over who worked here. She was like cleaning up the dining room area. Works perfect. So I had a good breakfast. Mommy ate all the Mickey waffle. It was very good. Landa did really good. And there's a cartoon over yonder. I didn't realize she keeps on pointing at Mickey. Is it yummy? Alright, let's get cleaned up and go back to the room and pack up. We have 2 hours before we have to head out, baby. See if Mommy can get out without a under 50-pound bag. You see Mickey? Say Mickey. Mickey. CD. That's what you used to put in your tape deck so you could play a CD in your car and sing. Rollerblades. Sally's oh my gosh. Oh, the essential oils book. It's back in. Look at, that's the 20-minute workout, I think. Cabbage Patch Kid. A Wheel of Fortune. I might have had that. I definitely had the Game Boy with the Tetris. I don't know what Dreamcast is. Sweet Valley Twins. I might have read that. Was not in a Pokemon. Salad Shooter. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Compact. We had a Tandy. Oh my god, the Texas Instrument TI-81. You had to buy one of those for high school. Flip phone. Those are Doc Martens. I feel like my sisters had a belt like that. Oh wow, an old Apple. The floppy disks. Chariots of Fire. Old camcorders and Walkmans. We had that. Oh my god, we had that phone. Okay, I had that album and I had that pin. I thought I was gonna marry Michael Jackson. The old tape cassettes, that plastic. We definitely had Lionel Richie tape cassette. What do you see, Landon? Oh my god, it's Atari. That is so cool. I heard it through the grapevine. Oh my god, we had that game. The Wheel of Fortune game. Definitely had Cabbage Patch, My Little Pony. I was obsessed with Strawberry Shortcake. Oh, this is so cool. This is all about the Disney World opening. Life magazine. Oh my gosh. Look at the old Mickey. That pictorial souvenir. Look at the back scratcher. Those are so popular. Definitely had a troll. Okay, I don't know what that is. There's Princess Leia. Oh my gosh, I've never even heard of that. The Disney monorail game. That's so cool. The old Play-Doh. Okay, this was my grandmother's basement. The Cutie game. Pickup sticks. Oh my gosh, we have that. The weaving loom. think we might even have easy money. That is crazy. All right, we're headed out. Luggage is checked. Mommy's luggage was 52 pounds, but the guy let it slide. The guy usually lets it slide here. All right, baby. Magical Express is coming in 7 minutes. Let's go. Let's do that. Bag was over 50 pounds. It was like 52, but their scale's kind of wonky, so we let it go. So I have that bag, this bag, baby, stroller. You ready, Landon? Oh, is that your banana? You look like you're ready for a nap, my love. Are you tired? You can't nap till we get through security. Very busy this morning.